Hey, welcome to my channel Tech City Siliguri. Today I'm going to review wireless hummingbird from Noon. As you guys know that the smartphone 3.5mm jack which we were using before is now coming to an end, as the wireless headphones are taking over them because they are very convenient to use. But some of the earbuds like Apple, Samsung are quite expensive. Today I'm reviewing Noon East Hummingbird wireless headphone, which are not just in budget but also in very good quality. The price of the product is around 13 to 1400. I bought this from UAE. In the box you will get one user manual and this one-year warranty card. Let's check out the product. It's very lightweight. It's very comfortable and listening music for long hours will not bother you. Inside you will get two earbuds. Both of the buds have touch button which you can use to play music or answer any call. To be honest, the audio quality is not that bad, or the audio is crisp and loud. You will get voice assistance and voice control feature as well. You will also get the battery indicator on the charging case. The design of the earbuds are very good, quite good, and also it's very comfortable. Let me see the light here. This is the touch panel. This is the charging case. It can charge the earbuds for around 8 times as per the company. Charging kit is easy and convenient to use. It's true wireless. And also it has auto wearing detection. Built-in infrared sensor can auto pause the music when you will take out the earbud. Let's see what we have in the box. So we have data cable here. It's good quality. And also the earbud extra, which is good. You see here while charging, the indicator becomes red, so you know that it's charging. It's very good feature. That's all. Thank you for watching.